Allergic rhinitis. Hay fever, also called allergic rhinitis, causes cold-like signs and symptoms such as runny nose, itchy eyes, congestion, sneezing, and sinus pressure. But unlike a cold, hay fever isn't caused by a virus. Hay fever is caused by an allergic response to outdoor or indoor allergens such as pollen, dust mites, or tiny flecks of skin and saliva shed by cats, dogs, and other animals with fur or feathers. Symptoms: runny nose and nasal congestion, watery, itchy red eyes, sneezing, cough, itchy nose, roof of mouth or throat, swollen blue-colored skin under the eyes, postnasal drip, fatigue. How it occurs. When you have hay fever, your immune system identifies a harmless airborne substance as harmful. Your immune system then produces antibodies to this harmless substance. The next time you come in contact with the substance, these antibodies signal your immune system to release chemicals such as histamine into your bloodstream, which causes a reaction that leads to the signs and symptoms of hay fever. Risk factors: having other allergies or asthma, having eczema, having a blood relatives as a parent or sibling with allergies or asthma, living or working in the environment that constantly exposes you to allergens as an animal dander or dust mites, having a mother who smoked during your first year of life. Complications: reduced quality of life. Hay fever can interfere with your enjoyment of activities and causes you to be less productive. For many people, hay fever symptoms leads to absence from work or school. Poor sleep. Hay fever symptoms can keep you awake or make it harder to stay asleep, which can lead to fatigue and general feeling of being unwell. Worsening asthma. Hay fever can worsen signs and symptoms of asthma such as coughing and wheezing. Sinusitis. Prolonged sinus congestion due to hay fever may increase your susceptibility to sinusitis, an infection or inflammation of the membrane that lines the sinuses. Ear infection. In children, hay fever often is a factor in middle ear infection. Top 11 foods that help you prevent allergic rhinitis. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is well known as an anti-inflammatory powerhouse for a good reason. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been linked to reduced symptoms of many inflammation-driven diseases and could help minimize the swelling and irritation caused by allergic rhinitis. Number 2. Quercetin. Quercetin can help the body fight allergies because of its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antiviral properties. Quercetin is found in foods such as apples, blueberries, capers, grapes, cabbage, cauliflower, red onion, shallots, tea and tomatoes. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in sardine, mackerel, tuna and salmon, flax seeds, chia seeds, etc. The omega-3 fatty acids in these foods may help protect against allergies. Number 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most abundant minerals in your body, helps reduce inflammation and stress as well as regulate blood pressure, nerve transmission and insulin metabolism. Foods high in magnesium include wheat bran, kelp, legumes, fruit, fish, almonds, cashews, tofu, avocados, etc. Number 5. Honey. Honey's antioxidant and antibacterial properties help improve the digestive system and boost immunity. It is also a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are very effective for the removal of free radical from the body. Number 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C largely is used to prevent the common cold, but the intake of all type of nutrients Also can be used to strengthen the immune system against allergies. Foods high in vitamin C include broccoli, kale, strawberries, orange, lemons, grapefruit, raspberries, kiwis, red pepper, etc. are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is great for boosting your immune system and reducing the inflammation associated with the allergic reactions. Number 7. Probiotics. Even though studies have not specifically targeted which probiotics and other good bacteria combat allergies, studies have shown probiotics may be a promising boost for allergy prevention and treatment. Studies have also shown probiotics and good bacteria help regulate and strengthen your immune system, as good bacteria and flora in our bodies can affect our immune response positively. Examples are tempeh, tofu, probiotic yogurt, sauerkraut, etc. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is also one of the best natural decongestants you can use during allergy season to help relieve sinus pressure as well due to the strong aroma it has. Allicin present in crushed garlic helps thin the mucus, blocking the nasal passages, and it reduces the inflammation that's contributing to clogged airways. Number 9. Vitamin E. The gamma-tocopherol form of vitamin E seems to decrease allergy-related inflammation. Examples are mame sapota, avocado, kiwi, wheat germ oil, sunflower seeds, almonds, etc. Number 10. Herbal tea. Any tea high in caffeine could trigger the release of histamine, which is likely to make symptoms worse. Herbal teas, on the other hand, could bring some relief. If congestion is problematic, peppermint tea can help as it thins mucus so that it flows easily from the nose. Green tea is another good option, as the research suggests it could strengthen the immune system. Chamomile, on the other hand, is thought to have an anti-inflammatory effect, which, as we have seen, is a good feature when it comes to battling allergic rhinitis. Nettle has an anti-inflammatory effect. It is also a natural antihistamine and contains vitamin C. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect, which may help combat symptoms like a sore throat, irritated eyes, and blocked nose. Ginger works as a natural antihistamine, potent antiviral agent, and immune booster.